Welcome to Halal and Delicious. Today we're going to be making chicken rollatini with pesto sauce. Our ingredients, we have chicken breast cut very thin, mozzarella cheese cut in cubes, mushroom, cherry tomato, pesto sauce, sun-dried tomatoes, salt, and pepper. We get the chicken breast, put it on the board, cover it with plastic, and then hammer it a little bit. Then we get the chicken breast and put a little bit of salt and pepper on top. After that, we put the pesto sauce, sun-dried tomatoes too, and mozzarella cheese. Then we roll it. And then we close it and put a toothpick. Now we have to fry it with olive oil and butter in a non-stick pan. And now we're going to saute the chicken inside the pan. We left it for 10 minutes and now we're going to flip it. That does look good. Now it's been cooked on all sides. We're going to add mushroom and cherry tomatoes. Now we're going to put it inside the oven for 400 Fahrenheit, and then it's going to be ready to serve. Take out the toothpick and serve. And now we put the sauce on top. Thank you for watching Halal and Delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell, and we'll see you next time.